Late last year, rumors began to circulate that Samsung was planning to scrap 2021's Galaxy Note update. Those rumors picked up momentum when it became clear that the Galaxy S21 Ultra would be the first non-Galaxy Note phone to work with an S Pen stylus. Samsung Electronics president T.M. Rowe also talked up his company's plans to release more foldable phones, seemingly leaving the Note 21 out in the cold. But rumors of the Galaxy Note's demise may be premature. Samsung Mobile chief Ko Dong-jin confirmed that there have been plans to release another Galaxy Note device. However, the ongoing global chip shortage means the phone may have to be delayed until 2022. Since the Note 20 launched in August 2020, it follows that the Note 21 would launch around the same time, which would be August 2021. But after confirmation that the global chip shortage could see the Galaxy Note 21 delayed, that may not be the case. Samsung Mobile chief Ko Dong-jin has speculated that the phone could be delayed until 2022 as a result. And we can expect the same Galaxy Note 20 release date point, that would be in August 2022. All we can do now is wait. As for price, the Note 20 currently starts at $999 or £849, while the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's basic cost is $1,299 or £1,179. The obvious guess for how much the Note 21 would cost would be to look at these prices, but that may not be the best approach, given Samsung's recent efforts with the Galaxy S21. Samsung cut the price of the S21 range by $200 across the board, albeit by scaling back on some specs for the cheaper models. It's still likely the Note 21 will cost close to the $1,000 mark, but if we're lucky it'll be a little less.